four things are there, that is LSRW, that is listening, reading, speaking and writing. Yeah, even though you don't get so much time, still if you start writing for 2 lines by yourself, then definitely guys you are going to improve. For listening, you keep listening, you start listening some podcast or anything what you want to take interest to listen, just try to listen in English. And for speaking, yeah, this is the most important thing of speaking English language guys. And for that purpose, before start speaking, you have to do all the things, 3 things, like listening, writing and reading. Keep reading books are the things, it will be very helpful for you to start your journey. So guys, after doing these 3 things, when you start thinking that now I can speak of 1 or 2 sentence, then before starting and before communicating with people, it will come in your mind that how will you make sentence. So you will start thinking that how can I make a sentence, how can I translate this kind of Hindi sentences, how you can translate in English. For that purpose guys, I keep sharing and keep speaking that to translate or to have concept, some ideas related to what kind of sentence are you going to deliver, are you going to communicate with people. You have to knowledge that if I have to say that sakta hai, then we should use can. If you have to say in past, then you should use was. In present is MR, in future will. So for that kind of concept, if you have in your mind, then you can start speaking easily. And for that purpose guys, I keep sharing tenses. Before start speaking, you must have some concept about tenses. You don't have to go so deep down about this kind of sentences. You just have some concept, some basic concept, then you can start translating, you can start making sentences by using this kind of tenses. For that purpose guys, I keep sharing. And today I'm making this video about that future perfect tense, that you will get some concept of this tense and you can start make sentences and you can communicate with people. When it will come in your mind that I have to speak this kind of sentence to the people to communicate, then how I can make sentence, then when you have to use like in Hindi, you have to speak sentence. Initially you can't start speaking in English, you have to speak in Hindi, then you should translate in English. So to make sentence in Hindi, to translate, if you are going to speak like for future, in future, if you are going to finish some works before deadline, in future, if you are going to finish any work, not right now but in future, before any deadline, before any time, then you should use future perfect tense. Like मैं कल तक अपना प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँगी. मैं कल तक और एक नई जॉब की शुरुआत कर चुकी हूँगी. चुका हूँगी, चुकी हूँगी. For गागेगी, you must have to use will. And for चुका, गया, खा चुका, पढ़ चुका, जा चुका, have. You must have this concept that चुका है, गया, चुका है, गया है, खाया है, या चुका, चुकी, चुके हैं. So for that you just must have use have. And for गागेगी, मैं कर चुका हूँगा. मैं कल तक काम खत्म कर चुका हूँगा. दो will have. So syntax, the formula of using this tense is subject plus will plus have plus verb third. subject will have verb third. मैं कल तक अपनी एक जॉब के लिए तैयार हो चुकी होंगी. आज मैं तैयार हूँ, आई एम रेडी फॉर, बट कल तक मैं एक लेटर, ज्वाइनिंग लेटर प्राप्त कर चुकी होंगी कल तक, परसों तक, टुमारो. सो आई विल हैव फिनिश्ड माई वर्क by tomorrow, by next week, by next month. When you are going to finish for future time, then you must have to use subject plus will have plus verb 3. Like I will get some my joining letter by tomorrow, and I will have to go somewhere, some other states by 2 months, by next month, or by, yeah, you can say by next month. Likewise guys, you can start make sentences. You have to finish some works in future before any deadline, means 2 बजे तक, by 2 PM, 2 सप्ताह तक, by 2 weeks. So for that a deadline have given for you in future, you have to finish before that, then you must have to use future perfect tense. And if you don't want to think about that, just keep in mind when you have to speak, चुका है, चुका होगा, खा चुका होगा, जा चुके होंगे, कल तक हम लोग जा चुके होंगे, आई विल हैव गो, कल तक मैं लेटर प्राप्त कर चुकी होंगी, आई विल गेट लेटर बाय टुमारो, कल तक मैं अपना काम फिनिश कर चुकी होंगी, आई विल हैव फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. सो जस्ट कीप इन दर माइंड द कंसेप्ट, चुका होगा, चुकी होंगी, गया होगा, गए होंगी, लाइक दैट. इट विल बी वेरी सिंपलर फॉर यू if you don't keep think about future, just keep thinking चुका होगा. If you have make sentences, then you can use this kind of sentence. It will be very helpful, and this is the tips and tricks. चुका होगा, चुकी होंगी, गया होगा, गई होंगी, गया होगा, गई होंगी, for will and have. The core thing is you must have to use will and have plus verb third. This is the future perfect tense. You must use 3 or 5 sentences today. Just try to make sentence by using this tense and speak before mirror or any cameras or in front of your mobile. Then it will be very helpful guys to start and to practice. If you keep trying this kind of sentence day by day for 5 sentences or 10 sentences, keep increasing, then and start. The tips of the day is start speaking on any apps to communicate with people. Start communicating with people. It will be the helpful in your English learning journey to improve yourself, to get fluency, and whatever you want to get, you will get. Just start speaking before the camera, people, and anywhere. Just speak with yourself. It will be very helpful. So guys, and one thing is there that if you want to negative that मैं नहीं जा चुकी होंगी, then I will not have. Between the will and have you have to use not. I will not have go there. I will not have gone there. Have, after have you just must have to use verb third. So like that guys, you can start having some concept about tense. You can start making sentence and start. And the more thing is that if you are not able to make sentence, just go Google it, try to find sentence and try to understand that how it is working. Just repeat some sentences, then it will come in naturally in your mind and you can understand. So just try to copy and repeat the sentences. What tenses are you going to learn? And yeah, and don't think about mistake. Don't think. If you are going to think that I am making mistake here, yeah, keep observing that you are making mistake and you have to rectify here, but don't think much that what the people will think if I that is if I speak wrong, if I don't speak um, correctly, so don't think much, just speak. No one is going to judge you. Everyone is here to improve, everyone is here to learn. So if you are keep thinking, then you are not going to improve. If you want to improve, then don't think about people, just keep making mistake and keep speaking. That is the core thing. So guys, till then, bye bye. And one thing I'd like to share, that I keep sharing data analytics courses about skills like Excel, Power BI, and if you are interested, then go watch my videos and start improving in your to grow in your career. So guys, bye bye, see you in my next video.